Welcome back to this new video of TextPress. Today, let's show you how to resize the menu text, giving you control over your store visual hierarchy and readability. So first, you want to understand maybe why you want to resize your menu text. So resizing your menu can improve readability, especially on small screens, can help you to create a better visual hierarchy, emphasize important navigation links, and enhance your store overall designs and your branding. It's going to be really important that when you want to change the menu font size in the Shopify, you have three different methods. The method number one, which is the most simple to use, is to use a theme setting if it's available. So some Shopify themes offer built-in settings for customizing the menu text size. So for that, you wanted to go directly into your Shopify store, sign in. When you have now correctly signed in, what I'm going to be doing here is to focus into my sales channel online store. Into my online store, focus directly here into themes. Now directly here into themes, I wanted to focus into the option that says customized. Now into customization, what I wanted to do is to look out here for the left section that says the template. Now sometimes you can check out for the settings related to font size or the text size, which in this case, for example, here into my header, should be appearing in here. If you don't see one, that means that you have to move on to the method number two. But usually it should be appearing here into my theme settings. And you have, for example, the width, the vertical type, the pop notification page, the vertical offset, and the width and all of that. Which in my case, I think this is more than enough. I can make this bigger, I can make it smaller, so you can check it out how it actually looks in my header. It looks really awesome, right? But in this case, I'm going to focus with the smaller width and hit now into save. Now let's try it out with something else. The method number two is to use the theme editor. If you're inside this header, you can see that when you click down below, you have the custom CSS file. And here I have this element of custom styles to this section only. So when you find the CSS selector for your menu text, this might vary depending on your theme, but commonly selectors include this site dot size navigation. For example, I just type here dot navigation or just nav. So you just type dot size nav, then go for A, and then what I wanted to do is to close this pad and open it. Now font size like this, and in my case, it should be maybe 16 pixels. And what I want to be doing here is just to adjust the pixel value as needed, the size adjust or the font size adjust. And when I finish this, really important to close the custom style path. Then hit now into save. I reload my page and see if the changes has now been correctly saved. The next method is to use a Shopify application. This is potentially easier, but I do not recommend this to use a lot because some Shopify applications allow you to add custom CSS to your theme, but the process is like almost exactly the same. Right, so in this case, I'm going to try to copy a new code, which in this case is this one. But first of all, I'm going to just paste this code and see how it actually acts into my whole header. So my font size, for example, here is appearing into number one. So I'm going to try to change this for 0.5 and see if the changes has now been correctly made. You have the link down below in the description, or you have the code directly into the description if you wanted to use this code. But I believe like the best and the most easier solution is to use codes directly into the custom CSS. Using this, the value can help you to edit this section only, and you can track this header out directly into all your menu bars. It's really important to check out that when you use a CSS file, have a addition of the header heading, the menu item, the inline, and the linked. And of course, check it out into more devices, for example, the mobile device and the full screen. Usually the mobile device has like a actual patterns to make this visual automatically, but in this case I'm going to be focusing only directly into what matters most, which is the header of the one which is the laptop view. So save this and you are good to go. So just in case you have any question, guys, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Hopefully this was a very useful information for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great elements of how we can just edit your header and more elements of Shopify. Thank you once again for watching this video, guys, and hopefully we can see you next time.